Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Gymshark discount promo codes which you can use on their website to get the discount. Now step 1 is just head to the Google on your browser and just make sure to open or write down this exact spelling to open the website, which is couponfollow.com. Make sure to write down this exact couponfollow.com, press enter, and you will be redirected to this website couponfollow.com. Now once you're at the homepage, on the right side you will see a search section, or you call like this, search for a store. Just click on it, and inside this you just need to write down gymshark.com, or just simply write Gymshark and you will see Gymshark. As you can see, depends on your country. If you want to go with the UK, you can just click on this one. Otherwise, just click on gymshark.com, which for me is this one, gymshark.com. So as you can see, 288 people have voted. That means that rating is good, and a lot of codes are working. These codes are updated daily based on the dates. You can see today is September 26th and the codes are the same date as well. So scroll down, find the code. Let's say I want to go with the free shipping or 15% off, 20% off. Just click on this one, show coupon code. And once you click on show coupon code, as you can see, like this is the coupon code which you can directly copy it from here. And once you copy it, you can just redeem at Gymshark as well. Otherwise, just click on the link, and otherwise you can just go back by yourself at Gymshark, choose the product that you want to buy, or you use the coupon code for once you are at the, you can say, during the payment, and that will be applied. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get these promo codes for Gymshark.